This is prickly wild lettuce, Lactuca cereola. It and many other wild lettuces can be made into a great sleeping potion. I use it for this all the time, and it really works. So identify it by this row of spines along the midrib of the leaf. This plant and other plants in the genus Lactuca have that in common. They can all be used the same. Another identifying characteristic is when you pull off a leaf or cut it, it releases this milky sap. Sometimes it's tinged a little color. And this milky sap actually has a really concentrated form of the medicine that helps you sleep. So I normally just use the foliage. I'll collect a bunch of the stems and leaves, dry it, crush it up, and put it in water. I'll use a whole lot, so maybe a cup of the dried leaves per 4 pints of water. And I simmer that at a low temperature below boiling for about 10 minutes. You drink that and it'll help you fall asleep and stay asleep and also give you vivid dreams. It has this cool dandelion-like fruit fluff off. I'll usually gather about half of one large plant, which is enough for a few doses for me. I dry it indoors at room temperature, which takes a few days. I use scissors to reduce the stems to fit in the grinder. The most important thing is to not use boiling water. It should be on low, and you should just see little bubbles remaining on the bottom of the pot. We use about a quarter cup per pint of water. I let it simmer for at least 10 minutes. After straining, it should be rather dark and it's quite bitter, but not too unpleasant to me. And I'll drink all of it on an empty stomach a half hour or so before bedtime.